Hi guys, welcome back to the day 2 of AI Mastery in 30 days. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create AI image using image models and how to write proper prompt to generate image using any LLM. So let's start. I am going to use Perplexity here, but you can use any LLM that you want, ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, depending on your requirement. You can also use Grok as well, but I'm going to use Perplexity because I'm having a Perplexity Pro subscription and it has all the LLM builds in itself, which have ChatGPT 5.4, Claude Gemini 3.4. So I'm just going to click on Claude Sonnet 4.6. And now in order to create your first AI image, let's start together. So first you need to understand how each and every model works here. So let's say if I want to know that how Nano Banana 2 works, you need to search on internet or you need to ask LLM itself that how Nano Banana 2 prompt guide works. So here I have opened a prompt guide. I am going to leave the link in the description of this prompt guide. So sorry, prompt guide. So you can just copy and paste along with me and follow along with me with all the things that we are going to create. Now here you can see I have just written Nano Banana 2 prompt guide and I got this link, which was the first link that I got, and I opened and I study it. Same way, if you are going to use Nano Banana Pro, you can type the same thing, use Nano Banana Pro prompt guide. If you are using Midjourney, you can type Midjourney prompt guide. If you are using ChatGPT images too, you can type that as well. It depends on the AI image model that you are using actually, and you can write prompts according to it. So if I scroll here, you can see Nano Banana 2 is by Google Gemini 3.1. And here if you see, you can see it's having a perfect character consistency. It supports up to 14 reference images, which is a really good thing. But we are going to do that as well. And here you can see this is how the prompt structure works. So first you need to describe the subject of who or what is the image, and you need to be specific about that. Then you need to have the action. So what actually the let's say a man is doing. So let's say a man is drinking a coffee, looking into the camera or between any conversation. Then you need to have the environment. So what is the environment that the man is sitting and drinking the coffee? Then you need to have the composition. So what will be the camera angle, what will be the framing, perspective that you should light, right? Then you should have the lighting. Then you should have the style. So which style you are going for? It's like for an editorial photography, it's for an advertisement, it's for a product render, what you want to do. So what I am going to do, I'm going to copy this here and I'm going to just paste it out. So I am going to copy from here and I'm going to just go scroll downwards and go till here. Okay, so here it is, and I'm going to do Control C here, and I'm going to go to Perplexity here, and I'm going to just paste it out here. So you can now see I have just copy and pasted the whole thing here, and I am going to say to Perplexity that this is how Nano Banana 2 prompt structure works. So just understand it. Later in the video series, we are also going to create our own custom GPT, so we don't need to do this again and again. But let's start with this now. This is how Nano Banana 2 image model works. Study it. Then we will start with the image generation. I will either provide you reference image or I will provide you my idea and you will generate me a prompt according to the above guide strictly. So I am telling here that this is how Nano Banana 2 image model works, and I'm going to either provide you a reference image or I'm going to provide you my idea. You will generate prompt according to the structure that I have shared, and just I'm going to press enter here. So now it is going to just organize things and all that stuff depending on the LLM that you are using. And now it perfectly understand that how this is going to work, and you can now start creating your own images out of this. And I'm going to show you two ways to actually create an image. So first is you can go to Pinterest. So if you are new, if you are into this industry, you know how Pinterest works, and you can see this is the image here. So let's just copy this image. This is the first method that I basically use. It's better to have a reference rather than just blindly doing the ideas, because this references helps lot with all the stuff like lighting, camera position, and lots of other things. So I'm going to just paste it here. You can see I have pasted here, and now I'm going to replace it with skincare, and let's just press enter, and you can see we have lots of skincare product, and I'm going to type skincare, let's say skincare sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen, and let's just press enter, and now you can see we have this sunscreen here. So let's just take this one, and let's just right click and copy the image, and let's just go again here. I'm going to paste it here, and now I'm going to tell it I want to create a advertisement for my product which is in image to reference that I have shared. My idea is to create something like the reference that we have in image 1. Let's just press enter. So it is going to give me a proper prompt here, and you can see it's like a hero ad. Image 2 is our product, and you can see this is our basically prompt. So let's just try this out, and we are going to do Control C here. I'm going to use here Higgsfield. You can again use any AI platform, but I personally like Higgsfield, so I'm going to use this for the rest of the series as well, maybe. But you can use any AI platform, as I told in the day one as well. You can also use free Google Flow as well. It totally depends on to you. So here you can see you need to click on image and create a image here. You can see I already generated lots of images here, and you can definitely do that as well. And this feels like a realistic consistent character. This is my AI influencer Arohi, and you can see it looks really good, and it looks same in all the images. Let's start here. So I'm going to paste the image, the prompt here. I'm going to make sure that I'm using Nano Banana 2, and here I'm going to change it to 4:5, and you can see the vertical aspect ratio. I'm going to keep 2K, but now I need to copy this and paste it here, because I am going to just use it here as a product reference as well. And here you can tag as well. So you can see a high-end commercial advertisement for a @image1. So you can do that as well. But right now it's uploading. So let's just wait for it to upload, or you can directly save it in your computer and just upload it again. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Let me just check my internet. Okay, it's not working. Let's just refresh this once. And I'm going to just save this image. Let's just save image as. I'm going to save it in downloads here, and let's just upload it here from the downloads. Let's just wait for a bit here. I don't know why it is taking so much long. Yeah, it's done. And now I'm going to click on generate here. But before doing generate, just read out once that what you have actually done. So you can see based on the attach product reference. So here I can do @image1. So you can see now it's telling @image1 product reference design. Two cubes stands upright in the foreground with the front tube slightly closer to and perfectly in focus. The second tube is just behind it, both clearly shown in the original logo. So you can see it's really great. A person in the sharp tailored blazer reach out one hand. So this is looking nice. And let's just click on generate here. And once you click on generate, this is going to start generating our image. And now I'm going to get this according to the product that I have shared here. So let's just generate one more thing. Now let's say you have a idea and you want to generate it according to that. So here I'm going to write here, I want to create a outdoor scenario where a BMW is shown, or let's say where a Thar is shown, or maybe we can have any SUV or off-roading bike. Let's just do a off-roading bike to create an outdoor scenario where a off-road bike BMW is going really great in rough terrains in the jungle. I want to highlight BMW bike for its off-roading, maybe what we say off-roading unique selling point. Give me prompt to promote this as an advertisement in a horizontal aspect ratio. Okay, and let's just press enter, and now let's see what we get here. And here you can see this is looking really good here, and you can see we are actually promoting this product here. The lighting looks great, and you can see the hand is reaching out to grab this product. So this is how you can actually create. And let's just do one more here. So let's say if you want to create a product shot like this, you can see here as well, and I can definitely do this as well. You can see this is inspired, maybe this is the main image and it's got inspired by this as well. So you can now easily do these things. Also, you can create your own AI influencer as well, and you can do it easily here. Let me show you how you can do that as well. But first we are going to click this here, and we are going to paste it here. Now I am not going to provide it a BMW adventure motorcycle reference, because Google Nano Banana 2, whenever you click on generate, it goes through web and actually check how the BMW adventure motorcycle looks, and it just create it with the reference images found on the internet. So that's a really good thing. But if you want to go for specific model, you can do that as well. Let's just click on generate here, and you can see it has started generating. Now let's say I want to create a AI influencer, which is right now trending a lot. So let's just go to Pinterest again, and I am going to just go to Pinterest home, and here I'm going to search for a maybe a Indian woman, or you can, yeah, we can go for a Russian blonde, and let's just women, and we are just going to press enter. And now you can see these are all the Russian women that we are getting, and I want to create, let's say, a AI influencer out of this. And let's just go for a image that looks really good, or you can directly go for a Russian woman as well. So let's just do that as well, and you can see we are getting lots of reference images here, and you can create your own AI influencers out of this. So let's just say maybe we are going to take this. So this is looking nice actually, and we are going to use this for our reference as the as a AI influencer. So let's just copy this image, and I'm going to paste it here. I want to create a AI influencer who is a Russian, and I want you to take the image which I have shared as reference for my prompt. She is around, now you need to be descriptive mode. She is around 25 years or maybe 27 years, and she looks beautiful and have a hourglass body. Give me a detailed prompt to create image from, and I want a full body shot. And let's just press enter here. So it is going to give me a full body shot, and let's just go here, and now you can see this is the image that we have got, and this is looking really nice. You can actually see the jungle is there, and now I can add the rain as well. So let's say you want to add rain in this scenario, you can easily just tell it to nano banana to edit this image, and you can do that as well. Or you can go to your original prompt, you can provide this image and again rework it out as well. So let's just copy image. Okay, and you can do that as well, but before doing that, let's just do control C here, and again I'm going to go to Higgsfield. Let's do control V and let's just click on generate. But before generating, I'm going to switch this to 9:16, and let's just click on generate. And here I'm going to use this image again. Let's just right click and copy image. This looks good, but I want it to feel more natural, and I want rain and rainy atmosphere. So update my prompt, and let's just press enter. So this is how easily you can work around. This is just a starting point, guys. I'm going to take it lot more further as well, but this is just a starting point that I am going to show you guys, and I'm going to just let you guys explore as well. So same way you can do lots of things here. Let's just do it again here, and here you can see I have got a AI influencer here, and now I can take this image and tell basically nano banana to create a close-up shot of her face with all the wrinkles and details and all that stuff. So let me show you how you can do that as well actually. So we are going to just delete this here. I'm just going to drag and drop it here. So I'm just going to use this, and now I'm going to tell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click here, copy image. I'm going to give it here, and now I'm going to tell this is my AI influencer that I have got. I want to create a close up face shot for all the details of the face, and I want it to feel realistic. So add natural skin details, textures, etc. You got my point. So give me a prompt, and let's just press enter here. And now you can see I'm going to copy and paste this out, and here you can see now this feels lots more natural here, and you can actually see that okay, this is a rainy weather and this is looking nice, and this is much more better than this here. You can see this is how it was looking and this is how now this is looking. So you can properly feel that okay, rainy atmosphere is also there, and you can add rain as well. Okay, so let's just keep this here, and let's just copy it out, and let's just paste it here. And now what it is going to do, it is going to create this close up of the face here, and let's just click on generate. So this is how you can create lots of things, and this is how I created my own AI influencer, which you see here. And the AI influencer workflow is lot more different than the general workflow. I'm going to teach you that as well, how you can actually do the process, but this is how generally you can get started, because just by watching video you are not going to learn. You need to do lots of things, you need to experiment, you need to get a paid plan in order to get some good results and get going into this AI industry. On the free plan you are limited to lots of things, but in the paid plan you can do lots of things. So just imagine this is your first image as AI image as a AI beginner, and just imagine what you can do by the end of day 30. You can create lots more good images, and we are going to do lot more stuff here. And now you can see this is how the skin details are looking, and this feels really natural. So now I can create lot more things here. So I can just paste it here, and I can create a proper bathroom like scene. So let me just do it here as well. Let's just copy image. Let's just paste it here. And we are going to copy this as well, because this is her body. and let's just copy here. Let's just paste it here, and this is my AI influencer. I want to create a scene which is a UGC scene shot on smartphone, and I want that she is promoting maybe a skincare in casual home clothes in. So give me a prompt, and let's just press enter. So now I'm telling it's a UGC scene shot on smartphone. So this is just going to change the whole scenario here, because right now here you can see it feels like a DSLR shot. Here also it feels like a DSLR shot. Now we are going to give it a proper tone here, that this is not an advertisement. This is a UGC shot that is shot from a smartphone. So this is how you can actually get that realism as well. So here you can see we are going to just copy this here, and you can see overall style feels like authentic user generated content for a skincare brand, not a polished studio ad. So that's a really important thing. And let's just paste it here, and we are going to click generate. Now you can use other models as well, and by that I mean you can use GPT image 2 as well here. And again, this is going to be the same. Keep the same AI influencer at the rate image 1. You can just tag here, and now I am going to click on generate here, so you will see the difference as well. Okay, so here you can directly tag as well. The influencer is in her, so you can write here the influencer at the rate image 2. You can do that as well. So for facial features you can do image 2 here. Okay, and it is going to just make sure that it has that facial details as well. And you can do lots of things, guys. You can create your own posters as well, or you can go for infographics as well. Okay, you can just go for infographic details as well. I know this video is bit long, but I'm going to show you the whole process that you see in production workflow, and this is how actually works. You need to have references, you need to have visualization skills, you need to know how camera works. You can also tell that, okay, I want a front facing shot, I want this camera angle. So just study how camera angles work, how shot works, how lighting works, what type of different lightings are there, and it is going to feel lot more natural here. So you can see here, this is what we have got from Nano Banana, and this is what we have got from ChatGPT Images 2, and this looks really good and it feels natural as well. So this is how you can create your own image AI your own AI influencers as well. This is just a showcase here. I am going to teach you lot more stuff, how actually you can create a really good AI influencer from images, and you can train it with the help of Soul ID. I'm going to have a new lecture of that as well in this 30 days AI series, because that how I created this AI influencer as well. Because if I click here, you can see this is basically Arohi here, and I have provided it a reference image. This is Arohi, my influencer, and you can see it's using a character which is Arohi. So I have trained AI here that this is how Arohi looks. So it is going to be 100% perfect whenever I use this. So this is how it is on the next level of AI influencer. I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn lot of new things. Now your homework is to just create images and just tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID you will find in the description, and let me know what you guys create as well. And I will just definitely comment as well if it's good, if it's bad, what needs improvement. I will see you next time. If you are new, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Bye bye guys, take care.